you come to my motel? Slide you the key, baby, don't tell.
Hey guys, what's good? What to do? It's your girl Abby motherfucking Soon. I'm back with another video. So today I'm gonna be unboxing this wig. Unboxing this wig. I usually don't get on camera looking crusty, or maybe I do. But yeah, I just want to unbox this wig, the 613 wig that I got from Amazon, and show y'all I want to show you guys how it looks in its natural state, because I will be toning this like an ash blonde. So yeah, I want to show y'all how it looks and all that before we do all that. Ooh, it's already kind of toned. It's not like Barbie color. Anyway, ooh, it's already kind of a nice tone. So it is 26 inches. Oh, that's all it says. But I think this is a body wave, so yeah. This is a 13 by 6. This is the color. Ooh, it looks very Barbie on the camera, but in person it's not that type color. I'm trying to show you guys, like, yeah, this is how it looks. This is nice. This is nice. Look at the curl pattern. That's nice. The color of the lace is kind of tinted, which you wouldn't really expect for a 613 wig. But hey, that's not a problem for me because I'm dark skinned. But if you're of a lighter skin tone, then I don't know what you would do. But it's not like dark, but it is a little tinted. And yeah, so that's just basically it. Nothing else comes in the box. So that's all for the unboxing. Let's get into the video. Hey y'all, it's voiceover me. So I'm using 3 of this color for the whole wig and then 1 of that darker color for the roots, and I'm gonna put the names in the description and stuff. So now I'm just gonna be mixing the color with the developer, and yeah, then we're just gonna apply it on the wig. But this is how I mix it. So after I mix the color in my bowl, I'm taking this, what's this? A tail comb. I'm dipping it in the color and then I'm putting it on my roots. This is such a great technique because it's like not messy and it's precise, so you won't get it like all over the place. So that's what I like to do. So I'm just dipping it in the color and then I'm using it to spread it on the roots. So as you can see, the color of the roots did get darker, which is what we wanted. So you're going to leave it on for about 10-15 minutes so it could set. I didn't do that, and I should have, because I rinsed it out and it wasn't really the same color. But this is me blow drying the hair after I washed it. So now I'm combing the hair out to get it ready to apply the dye, and I'm doing that in layers. I was using a brush to apply it, but I think if you use your hands, make sure you're wearing a glove, of course, it'll go much faster. So this is how it looked when I washed it out. It was super silver, super great, and I was type panicking because I'm like, this is not the color I wanted, but I was like, it's still fire and I'm still gonna rock it. The reason why this wig didn't come out the color I wanted it to is because, like I said in the unboxing, the wig was already kind of toned, kind of processed. It wasn't giving like a true 613 type vibe. So I think that's what it was. And here's me being a dyke per usual. Yeah, anyway, so this is the next day and now I'm about to apply the wig. The application part of this video was mad trash, so I only included parts of it because I need to get my setup together and then I could really record videos like properly, because using this handheld mirror is not cutting it. It's not cutting it, sis. But this is me when my hair was done. This is the only video I took when it was done. So yeah, this is how it looked. Oh, you guys could see that it's not as silver anymore. Like after I straightened it, it's not as silver, but my roots are not as dark as I wanted it to be. Like it kind of blends in with the other color, with the rest of the hair. That's not what I wanted. I'm gonna be finishing the video like this because it's a week from now. Well, what y'all seen, my ring light's broken and all this stuff. So yeah, so this is the hair. This is how it looks. It's kind of, I don't want to say brighten hair because it's not, but it looks different on camera. It looks lighter on camera. It's actually still silver, but a lighter silver, like, if that makes sense. When I first installed it, you guys seen that, I mean, not installed it, when I dyed it, you guys seen that it was like really silver, and I was panicking at first because I'm like, it's not the color I wanted. But now it looks lighter, but it's still very much silver. But yeah, so let's talk about the hair quality. Do I recommend this hair? I think this hair is okay hair. It's not a long-term wig. It's not a long-term wig. So yeah. It does shed a little bit, but not a lot, and it's a 613 wig, so you would expect it to shed like a lot, but it doesn't shed that much, so that's good. The lace quality was it was okay. It wasn't horrible, it was just okay. What else? I'm trying to think. My roots aren't as dark as planned. You guys seen me dye it, so it's not as dark as I thought. I think I didn't leave it on long enough, so that's on me. But like I said, when I got the wig, it wasn't like a true 613 wig. It was a little toned. It had some tones in it already, so that's another thing. This is the length. It is true to length. At first I thought it wasn't, but it's true to length. Yeah, it's an okay wig. Like, it started to feel really, really dry and brittle after a while. Like, after a couple days of not, like, flat ironing it and not putting anything in it, it started to feel real dry and brittle. But, you know, just put some oil in it, flat iron it, and you're gonna be good to go. But it does feel a little processed, a little on the synthetic side for some reason. I don't know. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Y'all already know what to do. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below any questions you have about the wig that I did not answer, because I feel like I left some stuff out. Yeah, bye guys.